Hey there, wonderful viewers. Today we're talking about the incredible concept of acceptance. What an alluring word you are, with so much depth of meaning behind every syllable. Like an alchemical formula from an evil linguist, acceptance holds within its folds the power to unlock life's mysteries. So buckle up for an exciting ride as we explore its multi-dimensional essence. Imagine strolling through a bustling marketplace of humanity, where opinions, beliefs, and identities interact like vibrant market vendors. In the midst of all this chaos lies acceptance, an orchestra conductor that seamlessly blends all its musical notes together into an unparalleled harmony that spans time and cultures. Acceptance can be seen as both an art and way of life that enriches humanity. Like adding spices that give any dish flavorful depth, it transforms ordinary experiences into magical ones and transforms the human experience from mundane into wonderful. Let's begin with self-acceptance. Imagine living in a world in which everyone was comfortable embracing themselves fully, despite any peculiarities or quirks they possess. Socks worn with sandals become fashionable statements, awkward dance moves are celebrated as artistic forms. Mismatched socks find companionship in unexpected places. These experiences would all constitute self-acceptance. This act empowers an authentic existence for itself, and those living it. Its positive influence extends outward, creating bonds among individuals. Imagine sitting around a bonfire sharing stories without judgment or prejudice. This is acceptance at work, welcoming all into an inclusive circle, dissolving barriers between us all while cultivating empathy as it makes clear how interwoven our human experiences truly are. Acceptance's mischievous sibling, humor. When faced with challenges to acceptance, humor provides relief and helps us see life for what it truly is: absurd. Together they share an unwritten agreement. When acceptance hits a stumbling block, humor steps up with relief, turning hardships into hilarious anecdotes while reminding us all to find joy even in difficult circumstances. Being mindful of life's quirky situations, let's also discuss accepting unexpected turns in life. Life, my friend, is full of surprises. One minute you might find yourself riding high on success, and the next minute face-planted in rainbow-colored mud. Acceptance gently reminds us that its journey becomes even more exhilarating when let go of needless control and embrace uncertainty and chaotic beauty as part of its excitement. Let us now travel into the realm of relationships, where acceptance takes on its most glittering aspect. Relationships are like delicate flowers, revealing themselves with every petal, unfolding a dance of vulnerability. When acceptance enters the scene, it adds love and understanding. It encourages us to embrace every characteristic our loved ones possess, be it their endearing quirks, off-key shower humming, or slightly different voices altogether. Acceptance celebrates each relationship's individualism like no other can. Acceptance extends far beyond our own selves. It embraces every corner of humanity with open arms, appreciating differences rather than fearing them. When acceptance reigns, supreme cultural exchanges become rich dances of learning that enrich us through experience and provide invaluable learning experiences. Acceptance, dear viewer, is the keystone to humanity's freedom of spirit. It liberates us from judgments of judgmentalism, prejudice, and doubt, while inspiring us to revel in life's delightful messiness. Celebrating every unique song with its rhythm, accepting who we really are will lead us homeward in search of true satisfaction and contentment. As we conclude our exploration of acceptance, let us remember its ability to transform ordinary events into extraordinary ones. Accept yourself, celebrate the diversity around you, and offer up generous doses of acceptance wherever necessary. For acceptance is what creates life's grand tapestries with colorful threads woven by life itself, and admire them with smiles on your lips. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. Until next time, embrace acceptance and spread the love. Take care, everyone, and I'll see you in the next video.